Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We want you to take a look at this jewel on the hills of Greenwood, St. James, with captivating views of both the sea and the town. A paradise away from the hustle and bustle, while just being close enough to the major towns. This house boasts unique features such as an indoor garden, floor-to-ceiling glass windows providing an unobstructed view of the sea and allowing a flood of light and ventilation through. Most of the bedrooms do have AC units and are large enough to fit the family. It comes complete with a foyer, then living room, kitchen, dining, pantry, and two garage. The land area of this house is 27,623 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $310,000 or Jamaican $47.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.